If you've ever put together a great show or a show of any kind and it looked good, but somehow it just didn't move anything forward for you, no new fans, no real traction, no momentum, that's not a performance problem, that is a strategy problem. This is something I see a lot, especially with independent artists. People are putting together shows without really knowing what the show is supposed to do. What exactly are you looking to achieve with this show? And then they wonder why nothing changes after. This is not about how to perform better. This is about how to think about your show so it actually works for you. Most artists are building shows backwards. They start with venue, band, rehearsals, and then they hope everything comes together. But they skip the most important question. What is this show supposed to do? Before you do anything, you need to ask, is this show for awareness? Is it to build a fan base? Is it to promote a project? Is it to create content that I can use and monetize? Because if you don't define that, the audience won't feel it. They come and they enjoy the show and the show won't convert. And what does not converting looks like? Let's be honest. People come but don't follow you after. Nobody streams your music after the show. No one talks about it after. You don't get booked again. And if that's happening, the show didn't work. And this is where most artists get it wrong. You don't know what the show is supposed to feel like. So your audience doesn't either. You're performing songs, but you're not taking people anywhere. You're doing a full show and not capturing anything that helps you grow after. You're doing everything yourself. You're the artist and you're also the production manager and you're also the coordinator, everything. And that's already a problem. Now the show ends and nothing happens after. So what do you need to do next time? You need to start thinking about your show differently. A show is not just another performance or yet another performance. It's a tool. Every show should fall into one of these categories. Whatever show you're planning must fall into one of these categories. An awareness show, are you trying to get seen? This is where you're looking for new audiences, new listeners, exposure. Those are your goals. And the second one you should look at is this a content show? You're trying to capture moments that you can later monetize or you can put out performance videos, social content, visual identity. What are you trying to achieve in that? That's a content show. The third one is fan building show. You're trying to deepen connection with your existing fan base and you're creating something intimate, like an intimate experience, engagement, loyalty. And if you don't know which one you're doing, you're just performing for the sake of it. One of the biggest mistakes artists make is trying to run the show themselves. What you actually need is someone who understands both the creative and technical side of running a show. That's either a showrunner, a production lead, someone who can design the experience, coordinate the team, and execute the vision that you're trying to achieve. So you can focus on the music and your performance. Now let's look at this critical thing, and that's the budget. Most people think, how do I do this as cheaply as possible? Well, that's the wrong question to ask. The real question is, what matters most for this kind of production or for this kind of show that I'm trying to create? What really matters? Is it sound? Is it lighting? Is it visuals? Content capture? If your budget doesn't reflect your goal, the show won't work. And if you don't know why you're doing the show, the audience won't either, right? They will come, have a great time, and that's it. So before your next show, don't start with the venue. Don't start with looking for a band or rehearsals. Start with the following. What is this show supposed to do for me? I'm curious, if you're an artist watching this, what's the goal for your next show? Is it awareness? Is it content? Is it fan building? Let me know in the comments. And if you're trying to actually design a show that works, that's literally what we do here at Backstage 360. We don't just run your shows, we help you build something that actually converts and something that actually moves your career forward. And if you're doing this yourself and you want structure, my production playbook breaks all of this down from planning to execution, and the link is in the description below. Because at the end of the day, A great show is not just about how it looks, it's about what it does after, like the conversion metrics. What's your conversion metrics like? Thank you so much for watching. And if you got to the end, my name is Phoebe and I am your live production coach. If you want to see more videos like this, please go subscribe, like, and share. And I would see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.